Imagine sitting down to a meal that's not only delicious, but perfectly tailored to your dietary needs, allergies, and even your mood. A meal that's printed right before your eyes, designed by artificial intelligence to suit your exact preferences. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, that future is closer than you think. Welcome to the world of 3D printed food, where your next meal could be a masterpiece of technology and personalization. In this video, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of 3D printed food. We'll explore how it works, how AI designs meals for nutrition, allergies, and mood enhancement, and even taste test this futuristic concept through some imaginative examples. So stick around as we unpack a culinary revolution that's equal parts fascinating and thought-provoking. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is 3D printed food? You've probably heard of 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, where objects are built layer by layer from materials like plastic or metal, following a digital blueprint. Now picture that same process, but instead of plastic, we're using edible ingredients like dough, chocolate, or plant-based proteins. A 3D food printer takes these materials and constructs a meal, layer by intricate layer, right in front of you. Companies like Foodini are already bringing this tech to life, creating everything from pasta shapes to decadent pastries. It's not just about cool designs, though. It's about precision. With 3D printing, every bite can be controlled down to the last nutrient. But here's where it gets really exciting. Artificial intelligence steps in to make these meals truly one of a kind. AI is the secret sauce, or maybe the secret algorithm, that takes 3D printed food to the next level. By crunching data about your body and lifestyle, like your age, weight, activity level, or health goals, AI can design a meal that's perfectly optimized for you. Need more protein for that gym session? Less sugar to stay balanced? AI tweaks the recipe, and the printer brings it to life. But AI isn't just about numbers, it's about you. It can adapt to your allergies, your tastes, and even how you're feeling that day. Let's break it down and taste test how this works for three big areas: nutrition, allergies, and mood enhancement. First up, nutrition. Whether you're an athlete, managing a health condition, or just trying to eat better, AI-designed 3D printed food can hit your exact nutritional targets. Imagine this. You tell your AI you need a high-energy lunch with plenty of protein and healthy fats. Seconds later, your 3D printer churns out a savory wrap. Layers of plant-based protein, avocado puree, and a sprinkle of seeds, all perfectly portioned. The taste? Think hearty and satisfying, with a texture that's smooth yet substantial, proof that healthy can still be delicious. This isn't guesswork, it's precision eating, tailored just for you. Next, let's talk allergies. For millions of people, food restrictions can make dining a challenge. But with AI and 3D printing, that changes. Say you're gluten intolerant. The AI scans its ingredient database, skips the wheat, and designs a pasta dish made from zucchini or rice flour instead. The printer then crafts it into delicate noodles, topped with a rich, allergen-free sauce. Picture biting into this. Light, tender noodles with a burst of flavor, all without a trace of worry. It's safe, it's tasty, and it's made just for you. No compromises needed. Now here's where it gets futuristic. Mood enhancement. Science shows that foods can affect how we feel. Omega-3s for calm, antioxidants for a mood lift. AI can tap into this by analyzing your emotional state, maybe from a wearable device or a quick input like "I'm stressed." Then it designs a meal to help. Feeling anxious? How about a 3D printed salmon mousse? Rich in omega-3s, paired with a dark chocolate dessert for that serotonin boost? The taste test? The salmon is silky and subtle, melting in your mouth, while the chocolate hits with a deep, comforting richness. It's food that doesn't just feed you, it lifts you up. Let's tie this together with a little story. Meet Sarah, a busy professional juggling work and wellness. Morning hits, and her AI, reading her packed schedule, designs a breakfast. A 3D printed oatmeal bowl with protein powder and berries for sustained energy. At lunch, prepping for a big meeting, it suggests a focus-boosting wrap with salmon and greens. By dinner after a long day, it prints a comforting veggie pasta to help her unwind. Each meal is quick, custom, and spot on. technology making life tastier and easier. But let's keep it real. This tech isn't perfect yet. 3D food printers are pricey, so they're not in every kitchen. Taste and texture are still evolving. Can they rival your grandma's cooking? Privacy is another concern. Who gets your health data? And what about the environmental cost of all those printable ingredients? These are big questions, and they're worth thinking about as this tech grows. Despite the hurdles, the possibilities are mind-blowing. Imagine a world where food waste drops because meals are printed on demand, or where remote communities get nutritious, custom food at the push of a button. Chefs could even turn into food designers, crafting edible art with AI and printers. This isn't just about eating, it's about reimagining food itself. Will 3D printers and AI become our personal chefs? Could this solve hunger or spark a culinary renaissance? The future's wide open. Thanks for joining us on this tasty trip into 3D printed food. What do you think? Are you ready to taste test an AI-designed meal, or do you have doubts about this tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this dive into the future, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, here's to food that's as smart as it is delicious. Love the video. Don't forget to like and share with your friends and family to spread the knowledge. Subscribe to NanoNerve for more deep dives into the technologies shaping tomorrow. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads and never miss out on the future. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is closer than you think. Blast off.